Pancreatic cancer is one of the deadliest cancers because it's difficult to diagnose early and very difficult to treat. Often people develop quite vague and obscure symptoms which are not recognised early, and people come to attention only when they have advanced disease and they don't have the options of surgery. The benefit of earlier diagnosis would mean more treatment options for patients, and therefore expectation of a better life, earlier diagnosis and greater survival. PCUK got together a whole group of researchers in the area from around the UK, and we had a day together where the task was to devise a project which over the next few years would improve the early detection of pancreatic cancer. And by the end of the day, we had a clear focus with advice from the Scientific Advisory Board who were chairing it for a plan over the next 3 years to improve pancreatic cancer outcome.
I've worked in clinical trials for over 20 years. When I started, breast cancer was seen as survival rates weren't that brilliant and treatments were aggressive. And with time, we've got with breast cancer treatments that are less aggressive and survival is much better. And for me, what I'd like to see with this project is to get pancreatic cancer to a point where the diagnosis is less invasive, it's quick, and is just as efficient as what one would expect for other cancers.
We've already made great progress in the last few months. We have a big group nationally come together. We've got some huge amounts of information about patient symptoms to start processing in millions of patients. This project is developing day by day into a much larger program of work involving dozens and hopefully hundreds of different people working nationally with international groups now, and that's going to require more funding to continue the progress that we're already making.